Hello eye tracking community, my name is Michael and this video is all about a transition matrix. On the screen we can see an eye tracking experiment where participants had to read information from a bar chart. For counting transitions we have to define areas of interest at first. So I go here to the AOI editor and I've already prepared some areas of interest for this tutorial. If you want to learn more about areas of interest, please have a look at this video. In this example, the task for the participants was to read the value of the bar with the label H and for the bar with the label B, and to compare these two values and then to state which bar shows the greater value. And for analyzing or for calculating now the transitions, I've defined these areas of interest. So the y-axis, the x-axis, and the two bars together with the two bar peaks. Creating a transition matrix is easy in Blickshift Analytics. I go to the AOI editor, I make a right click, I say Analyses, and then I choose the transition matrix from the menu. I look now only at one participant, so I go here with a right click to the participants and say check only selected. And here we can see now one participant. I can change the size of the cells here a bit. And here we can see now the transitions of this one participant. And a transition matrix works now like this. I go to the from column, so from where the eye movements have started, and I can see the transitions from this from AOI to the target AOI. And these AOIs are listed here on the top. So if I'm interested in finding out how many transitions we have, for example, from the x-axis to the bar H, in this case here of one participant, I go here down to the x-axis column and then I go to the column where bar H is shown. So this is this one, and then I can see, I have three transitions going from the x-axis here at the bottom to bar H. For example, if I want to aggregate now the transitions over all participants, I select all the participants. So here I make a right click on the participants list, say check all, and then click the aggregate button. And here we can see now the aggregated transitions over 9 participants in this experiment. There are many features in our software which will support you during the analysis of transitions with a transition matrix. One is, for example, that you can activate or deactivate areas of interest here in the panel. So if I'm, for example, not interested in showing this not available data line here in the transition matrix, I can just move this area of interest to the ignored column. If you want to change the color scheme, you can click here on the Preview Transition Matrix tab and then go to the Color Schema pull-down menu. Standard is blue, white, red, but you can also go with the green, yellow, red, or the blue, green, yellow, red. Or if you want to customize your heat map, you can click on Customize and you can choose here your customized colors. So for example, you can say, okay, I want to have a grayscale transition matrix. So from gray, for example, to white, and then you have a transition matrix with a grayscale gradient as a visualization. And with this setup, you can show the low values here in gray and the high values in white, for example. So this was a short introduction into our component transition matrix. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to our channel and activate the bell so that you'll never miss a new video on this channel. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.